good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? You sure? Alright, that's good. Alright, so this evening I am coming to you with a mystery box. I completely forgot. I'm not even going to make an excuse. I bought a mystery box in February and forgot about it. So it's been sitting here for a couple of weeks at least. Yeah, so I'm just literally I came downstairs to film announce my giveaway winner. But when I looked at the contents of my giveaway box, I thought this is kind of lame. It's nowhere near as good as my normal giveaway boxes content so far. So, I mean, if I show you quickly what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like at the moment. There's a few full-size items in there, but not many. There's a lot of sort of small items in there from things like my Ipsy Glam bags and GLOSSYBOX look fantastic. And I'm like, no, I want more stuff in there, more sort of familiar brands and things in there, and not so much skincare. So I'm gonna hold off from announcing my giveaway for a moment because I have got some boxes and things to open up, and I'm hoping that some of the things I'm going to be opening up in the next couple of days I might be able to put into this giveaway. Alright, so this is the giveaway that I did for February. Yeah, for February, and it ended on February the 28th. So I'm not going to announce my giveaway winner yet. I just want to put more stuff in there. Alright, so just bear with me a few more days and hopefully by the weekend I'll have enough things in the box to say, right, okay, I'm happy with this. I can do a giveaway with this box. Yeah, I'm sure you understand all that. So yeah, bear with me on that one. But today I am doing a mystery box. So Beauty Crop is a brand that I like. I think it's a UK based company. I'm certain they are. I think they are. They're an indie, I think of them as indie makeup brand. I think they are now appearing in some of the high street stores. I think, I don't want to swear on that, but I will double check and have a look and make sure. But they have, it's a brand that I was introduced to by Beauty Box subscriptions, particularly the UK ones. And all the products I've received from Beauty Crop, I've actually enjoyed. The only times it hasn't worked for me is because I might have received a shade or something that hasn't been, it's not going to work for me. But otherwise, the products I've received from Beauty Crop I have really enjoyed because they've been decent quality. I think the very first product I enjoyed I got from them, this is going back years, so we're probably talking about 2016 maybe, was an eyebrow gel. And it was the first time I was introduced to eyebrow gels, and it was a Beauty Crop eyebrow gel, and I was like, yeah. And it was in a dark brown. I thought, this is wonderful. And that's when I first sort of became aware of things like eyebrow gels, which is something I definitely use because I have no eyebrows. So it's something that I love using, a tinted dark brown eyebrow gel. So yeah, one of my favourite brands. I like them, and they're very affordable as well. I don't think they get enough applause because I think they're kind of a banging brand in my opinion. So they've got these mystery boxes and it seems like they're monthly. So I purchased the one in February, and the February one costs, I think it was £35 because it's different prices each month. I think it was £35 or something like that. But I had a code that I could use. I sort of did these random codes, and the price came down, and plus the shipping and stuff, I still ended up paying £33 in total for the box. So as I said, it arrived a couple of weeks ago. I just didn't get around to opening it. So I'm going to show it to you today and then see what we think. And then I'm going to sort of decide if I want to get the March one, because they have got a March one and it's a cheaper price. It's £28 at the moment. I'll put a picture of what it they're kind of hinting at what it looks like, so I put that up on the screen there. But there is a March one, so depending on what's in my box today will sort of determine if I am going to get the March one at all. So the box came like this, so it's very much like a Look Fantastic box, isn't it, in the packaging and stuff, and then the product is just inside like that. Okay, so let me hold it like this And that'll be my thumbnail picture. Yeah, that'll do for a thumbnail picture. Okay, all right, let's go. Let's see what we've got in here. So it looks like we've got about 7 items in here. And it looks like there's a bag in here as well. So I'm just going to pull things out and then see how it goes. I'm just going to sneeze, so excuse me a minute. Nope, sneeze didn't come. All right. First item. So the first item we've got here is a brow seal eyebrow gel from Beauty Crop. It looks like it's a clear one. So that being the case, because it's clear, I am going to put that in my... Oh, wait a minute. That's not right. You know what it is? These are the 2 giveaway items from the GLOSSYBOX. They fell into the Beauty Crop box. So let me just put those in the giveaway box. Right, okay. That's 2 makeup items in the giveaway box. Let's start again, shall we? Typical. I was thinking, that looks familiar. Right, here we go. So we've got the Beauty Crop and it's Glow Milk Cream Blush. So that's what that looks like. I will put prices of products up on the screen down below once I find it. I am going to break the seal because I want to find out what the product looks like. So if I decide not to keep it and I put it in the giveaway, just be aware that I did break the seal here on camera. Right. Okay, so the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Cream Blush. Let's see what the colour is. I like the packaging. They're not messing with the packaging, it's very tightly fitted. Right, wait a minute. Okay, right, so that's what the packaging is like. It's good, isn't it? Pretty solid little thing. That's the colour. Okay, so colour is Pink Rose. Let's see if it's a colour that I can use. Okay, it is. Oh, it's really cute, isn't it? Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. That is so cute. I hope it's a colour that's not got that milky undertone to it. And it's got the little mirror up there as well. So let me... I am keeping this. But let me just try... Have I got a clean brush here? I have got makeup on, but it's all old makeup. I'm telling you, I've had one of those days today. So you know I've started the Monjuro. Lord, I was in my area of work and then suddenly I had the most crippling stomach cramps. When I say stomach cramps, I mean stomach cramps. And I knew exactly what it was because let's just say I've been struggling to go for a number 2 in the last couple of days. I've just been, and I haven't been. So this, for me, this stomach cramp was like, okay, this is my body telling me it needs to release. I was like, okay, maybe I can get through this, get to the next place I need to go to. Maybe I can get to a toilet and... But the pain got so bad, it was like, oh my God. Girl, I had to turn around and go home. I just messaged my colleagues at work and said, look guys, I can't work, I'm not feeling great. And I just drove home. When I came home, I had some water, sat for a bit, and I was like, oh. And then I released. At least it came out, but damn. So yeah, just a warning if any of you do, because I know a few of you said that you're going to be starting these products soon. Yeah, just make sure you drink enough. Yeah, drink plenty, because that's something I've always struggled with, and not drinking enough water. Now I've got to make enough of an effort to drink it, so I'm trying to make sure I get 2 litres of water in now a day. So I've even got my glass here going. This has got 16 ounces in there. So they're saying one of the things I read is that you should try and have 35 fluid ounces. That's about 3 litres. I can't do 3 litres of water, but I'm going to work towards it. Anyway, I have got some makeup on. It is old, but let's see if I can get a little bit of a... Okay, so it's cream, but it's kind of going on like a powder, which is nice. And it's a nice colour. It's pale, but it's not ashy. Yeah, I'm going to keep that. That's nice, actually. Oh, this brush isn't good. The hairs are coming off in the brush. That's not good. Yeah, so the first product I'm keeping. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah. Alright, that's nice. Next product is something called Pore Filter, and it's a pore blurring pressed powder. Oh, that's something I'm always going to need, isn't it? Because, you know, hey, look at this face. Look at this face. Pure oil going on here. So let's try that out. I probably should have put this on first and then tried the blush, but let's try this out. And again, I like the components. I mean, it's plastic, but I just like the design of the components. There's a little bit of thought going into the design. It's not just cheap. There's some kind of design element going in there. Pore blurring pressed powder, and let's have a look. Oh, it's that kind of pinky colour. See that? It's kind of pinky powder colour. Right, let's do. Oh, that went straight away, didn't it? Let's do the forehead. Yep, that working. Okay, yep, that's working. I don't actually need it because I've got another pink powder which I received recently. So a lot of these pink colour powders coming out now. What is that all about? What is it with this pink stuff going on at the moment? Because that's the second pink powder I've received. Is it a new trend or something with pink powders? Okay, but that's cool. Oh, this I know because I've had this before and I'm using it. It's a smaller size, but this is their gripping primer. It's actually really, really good. Really, really good. I have got one at the moment. It's definitely a smaller size than this, but it's taken me ages to work through it. So I might not keep this. It's a really good primer though. Really good primer. So I think this is one I will put in my giveaway box, so one of you guys can have that because I'm not short on primers. So yeah, I'll put that one in the giveaway. So that's a good product to receive. What we got here? We have got here the Beauty Crop Dewy and Bounce Seal and Set Mist. Right, I'm not into dewy setting powders, so Seal and Set Mist spray. Okay, it's all sealed up, but yeah, I'm not into dewy because hence oily face, as I was just talking about. So this might go in the giveaway box as well, actually. And it says here that you need to shake it before use to agitate it. Why do you need to agitate it? I don't know. But yeah, there you go. So we've got a setting spray as well, but it's dewy and I'm not for dewy. Either natural finish or matte finish, not dewy. Then what we got here, we've got another thing in the liquid milk or glow milk, and this is a liquid blush enriched with bilberry fruit extract and elderberry fruit extract. So it's like that. It's funny, like a few years ago I wouldn't go anywhere near liquid or cream blushes. Now I'm kind of loving them, really like them. Oh, this colour looks interesting. Oh, my stomach's seizing up again. Oh, bloody hell. Right. The colour looks good though. That is a colour I would definitely wear. Should I put some on? Okay. Just ignore that I've got some old makeup on my face. But I'm just going to put a little bit of this on just to see what that's like. Oh, that's going to be pigmented. Oh, yes. I think I'm going to like that colour. Let's blush that out. Yeah, we like that. Oh, I definitely like that. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, I like that. Oh, I think I might be getting the March box because this is good so far. Right, a couple more things in here. So we've got a little bag. So they've given us a bag as well to put all the stuff in, which is kind of sweet. That's very nice. So this is the bag. I think that's very nice. Yep. Zipper at the top. That's what it looks like at the top. Oops, no, it's not the top. There we go. Right, oh, so it goes like that. So that's what it's like. And then you put your items in there like that. Cool. So in there, well, I'm not keeping that, but I'm keeping the powder. Where is it? The cream blush and that liquid blush. Definitely keeping those. And the primer, setting spray so far, I am going to be putting in the giveaway box. Oh, and the cream blush, I'll put that over there already. Okay, and there's one more thing in the box, just making sure. One more thing in the box, and this is, what is this? This is, well, it's in the shade caramel, I don't know what it is. Right, so this is a juice pot lip, apparently. Don't know about that colour, actually. I don't know about that colour. I might be a bit brave in trying that. This is one of those situations when I should trust my instincts, but at the same time I'm wondering what that colour would be like with a dark lip liner. I could probably make it work. I'm going to risk it. I know. Every time I do this and then I regret it immediately, but I want to try it because I just love lip glosses. But how do I get into it? Right, you know what? I'm not going to open it yet. I am going to check online just to see what the colour's like. But that's the colour. Maybe not. I'm thinking that this could work with a very dark brown lip liner. I don't know if it's a matte finish or what, but they're calling it a pop juice. So it might be plumping, it might be juicy, it might have a bit of a sheen to it. I don't know. And that looks like it's, yeah, that looks like this is a matte colour. I'm looking at it now. That looks like this is a matte colour. And then we've got the gloss, that's a clear liquid down this end. So maybe that's how it works. The matte colour and the gloss at the end. I am going to check online just to see what this colour looks like before I open it up. I think that's the best thing for me to do. If it doesn't, if I think the colour's not going to work for me, this will be going in the giveaway box as well. But overall, the three things that this is definitely going in the giveaway box. The primer I'm going to put in the giveaway box. This might end up in the giveaway box. So we've got some makeup items now. So I think my giveaway box is looking healthier now. So I'm happy with that because it was very, very skincare heavy. And the items I'm keeping are the cream blush, liquid blush, and the powder, the pinkish powder, pressed setting powder. I think that's alright. £33? Yeah, I'm alright with that. That's all good. That's all good stuff. So I can definitely see my value in that box. That's pretty good. I think I might get the March one now, you know. So look out for that. But what do you think down below? Have you heard of this mystery box thing from Peter Crop? It's the first I've heard of it. And I don't know how I ended up looking at it, but somehow, for some reason, I ended up on the site and then boom, I saw it and I was like, right, okay, getting that. And that was it. Another impulse purchase, but you know how it goes. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down below and tell me if you would like me to buy the March one as well, because I will buy the March one if you think it's worth me getting it. Alright, take care. Bye.